Well, ladies, I'm sorry I'm a little late, but good morning. I was doing a chat and a live. I was in the chat room of Mama's Place. A little plug there, just because I truly enjoyed myself. Hi. Good morning. Oh, I missed out. It's so cute when you guys do that. Yeah? You're welcome, Rose. So today I think I'm going to do a thorough cleanup. I'm going to scrub the water buckets and I'm going to clean out the coop, clean up the roof of the coop too, because they roost up there, and when chickens sleep, they still poop, even in their sleep. Oh, and if you hear all these noises in the background, I am an urban homestead. I'm in the backyard in a city, just so you know. Girls, I need to clean that up too. What a baby dog. Come here. Come here. Come here. What you doing? I'm trying to clean here. We're going to put some diatomaceous earth on the bottom under the bedding and add bedding on top. One of y'all is still molting. just scrub these. Come here, girl. Come. Come here, girl. That's a good squat. That's a good squat. Yeah. Come here. There we go. Good girls. Getting your fill? That's good for you, Mary. Well, I hope you have that awesome day. I know you will. So remember to plant kindness, to grow love. God bless. And until next time, bye-bye.